Hello guys. Today we are going to discuss August 2014 previous question paper.
Okay, let's start from essay question. Anyone say me the first essay question?
First question is define proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. Explain in detail about basic techniques, principles, effects and uses. Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, PNF, is an excellent technique for muscle strength training. It is based on the application of resistance to muscle contraction to facilitate enhancement of the muscle's contractile force. PNF is suitable for patients with upper motor neuron lesions accompanied by spasticity. It also may be used to initiate muscle contraction in patients with partial peripheral nerve damage and extreme muscle weakness. PNF is different from the muscle energy methods used in massage. PNF is a specific sequence of movements performed to stimulate muscle and neurologic functions. Muscle energy methods, on the other hand, are used to facilitate the stretching of shortened soft tissue.
PNF techniques 1. Hold relax. On PNF technique that Black says can trigger the reflex is commonly called hold relax. This involves putting a muscle in a stretched position, also called a passive stretch, and holding for a few seconds, contracting the muscle without moving, also called isometric, such as pushing gently against the stretch without actually moving. This is when the reflex is triggered and there is a 6 to 10 second window of opportunity for beyond normal stretch. Black says, relaxing the stretch and then stretching again while exhaling. The second stretch should be deeper than the first. Point 2. Contract relax. Another common PNF technique is the contract relax stretch wristed source. It is almost identical to hold relax, except that instead of contracting the muscle without moving, the muscle is contracted while moving. This is sometimes called isotonic stretching. For example, in a hamstring stretch, this could mean a trainer provides resistance as an athlete contracts the muscle and pushes the leg down to the floor. Point 3. Hold relax contracted. Third technique, hold relax contract wristed source, is similar to hold relax, except that after pushing against the stretch, instead of relaxing into a passive stretch, the athlete actively pushes into the stretch. For example, in a hamstring stretch, this could mean engaging the muscles to raise the leg further, as the trainer pushes in the same direction. Regardless of technique, PNF stretching can be used on most muscles in the body, according to Black. Stretches can also be modified so you can do them alone or with a partner.
Basic principles of PNF: manual pressure, placement of hands in direction of the desired movement, verbal stimulation, use the correct wording to achieve the desired movement. Push-pull, visual stimulation, show the patient how to do the desired movement. Give starting and end points to the patient. Joint integrity: A. Traction, stretch, elongation of all the muscle of the pattern against gravity. B. Approximation, pressure through the long axis of the structure, distal to proximal, with gravity. Quick stretch, trigger the stretch reflex of the muscle spindles. Not necessary in orthopedic problems. Not used with pain. Maximum resistance, amount of resistance, which allows the patient to move rhythmically and pain-free through the entire range of motion. Graded to each patient and her pain. A. Isotonic. B. Isometric, build up tension to maximum and maintain until strength starts to decline, then gradually release. Patterns, use linear, functional patterns. Patterns are diagonal and spiral. Timing, distal to proximal or proximal to distal. Use the stronger components to irradiate to the weaker. P to D means strong P to irradiate D. D to P means strong elbow to irradiate weak shoulder.
Effects and uses. PNF is a stretching technique utilized to increase ROM and flexibility. PNF increases ROM by increasing the length of the muscle and increasing neuromuscular efficiency. PNF stretching has been found to increase ROM in trained, as well as untrained, individuals. PNF stretching has been proven to improve active and passive range of motion. It can be used to supplement daily, static stretching and has been shown to help athletes improve performance and make speedy gains in range of motion. Not only does it increase flexibility, but it can also improve muscular strength. Okay guys, today we completed one essay question. Tomorrow we will see with next question. See you guys.